Welcome to Bamboo Fresh Farm, where tranquility meets top-notch services. For families seeking a day of joy and relaxation, our lush play areas and serene ambience provide the perfect escape. Parents can unwind while children revel in our specially designed playgrounds, ensuring a delightful experience for everyone. Business meets Serenity at Bamboo Fresh Farm. Our state-of-the-art meeting and conference halls offer the ideal venue for corporate events, workshops, and conferences. Elevate your gatherings in an atmosphere that inspires productivity and creativity. Feast on the finest at Bamboo Fresh Farm. Our organic produce takes center stage in our chef's special every day. Perfect for picnics, meetups, or birthday celebrations, our culinary offerings guarantee a taste of freshness and authenticity. Extend your stay and immerse yourself in the beauty of Bamboo Fresh Farm. Our homestay provides a cozy retreat, allowing you to experience nature's embrace while enjoying the comforts of home. Bamboo Fresh Farm, where services exceed expectations and memories are made. Contact us